Yela. Ikimbot mo kasi. May kimbot your body. You make also your body straight only. Yela na again. You make it shake your body. Hoy, where are you na? Why you stop already? Yela, dance na. Sayaw ka na. Yela, make it good. Kimbot. Yela. Oh. Eps. Ayusin mo kasi. Yung puwet. Nawala man yung puwet. Look what she doing is wrong. And tomorrow, we have no school. So, we spend only here in the house. I don't know, maybe they go out. Oh, look, in the house, that's what. She finished watching iPad. Ayan na naman. She make boring to play the iPad. Yan, she's dancing while she's watching also in the iPhone. Oh. But sometimes she learn through watching on the iPad or iPhone or TV. She can learn also dancing, mostly dancing, and acting like what's that, like a TikTok. Si hi, ikaw na kumusta? Oy, enough ma. Sira yung mukha mo. Si ikaw kumusta? Ayala na, bye-bye. Happy weekends to everyone. Kasi no work daw tomorrow. Holiday daw. Walang pasok bukas. Mga bata. So, stay at home. And if they go out. Okay, thank you. Thank you again to subscribe me. Shout out to all people in this world. Social. And to all subscriber of mine. Oh, yun na, make it good, yela. Pastilan yung stomach niya. Yela, bye again.